Today we'll learn how to create a WooCommerce pick and mix product page. Since WooCommerce doesn't support this out of the box, we'll use the WooCommerce Product Add-Ons Ultimate plugin to create a flexible pick and mix experience. First, set up your individual sweet and candy products. Create a simple product for each variety with a name and product image. Set the price to 0 since pricing will be handled by the main pick and mix product. Assign every variety to a sweets product category and set each product's visibility to hidden so customers can't purchase them independently. Create a new variable product in WooCommerce. Set the product name, description, and featured image. Go to Product Data, then Attributes, and create a bag size attribute with values like 250 grams and 500 grams. Generate variations from those attributes and set prices for each variation, then publish the product. In the Product Add-Ons panel, add a new field and select Product Categories as the field type. Label it, choose your sweets/candy, and check Required Field. In the Products tab, select Sweets in Product Categories. Set Product Layout to checkboxes, Images, and set Max Child Products to 5 for the 250 grams limit. Duplicate the field from Step 3 and update the Max Child Products setting to 10 to reflect the larger bag size. Everything else can stay the same. Open the Conditions tab on the 250 grams Products field and select the 250 grams variation. Repeat this for the 500 grams field, selecting the 500 grams variation. Now the correct field will appear based on the customer's bag size selection. View the product on the front end. That's how to create a pick and mix product page using WooCommerce Product Add-Ons Ultimate.